Releasing software solutions can be an exciting but daunting proposition, regardless of how long you've been in the industry. With over 50% of all software solutions failing in their first year of operation, something has to change. Allow me to present DevBricks, our all-in-one developer toolkit designed to enhance business workflows, streamline business communications, and expedite the time to market for your new solutions. DevBricks achieves this by tackling project challenges before a single line of code is written. Just like a good movie needs a good script, developers need good user stories to be able to produce impeccable products. To address this, we have integrated our signature user story analysis and improvement features into DevBricks. These features enable your team to assess the health rating of user stories and enhance their quality with just a click of the button. But we didn't stop there. DevBricks facilitates seamless code generation, acting on your user stories to produce code directly into the development team code branches. This enables developers to work more efficiently and focus on the more complex aspects of coding, while producing high-quality solutions that meet the needs of your project. Using DevBricks, you can unlock the full potential of your development team to produce exceptional software solutions. So what are you waiting for? Try out DevBricks today and get your software to market sooner and with less failures.